Okay, how are you? Candidate number 1 for boy category.
I'm fine.
You are fine, okay. Are you ready to answer your question? Now, for your question, if you could change one thing in the world, what would it be and why? Again, if you could change one thing in the world, what would it be and why?
I hope I can change the situation about Tata because he doesn't deserve everything that is happening to him right now. And Tata deserves better. And I hope he can go out right now. And I can.
Okay, so I hope the ICC could hear your answer, candidate number 1. Okay, let's proceed to our...
You wanna be bad, just
Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin ang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin.
Hindi lahat ng salitang mali, mali. Yung mali para sa tama, matatawag pang mali. May tama sa mali, kaya gumawa siya ng mali. Hinahabol niya yung tama sa paraang mali. Mali ba na ginagawa mong tama ang mali? Makukulong yung tama dahil may pera yung mali.